Hey folks, this is Vineet from theurbanastronomer.com. So today I want to talk about Betelgeuse. It's been on everyone's radar the past year because of the recent changes in its luminosity. There's a lot of speculation that this is because it is going to go supernova soon. It is normal for Betelgeuse to dim and brighten with time, as it is a semi-regular variable star. But the recent dimming has been the most that we have seen in modern times. It has gone from being the 11th brightest star in the night sky to not even being in the top 20 now. In any case, it can go supernova anytime between now and 100,000 years from now. Maybe it has already gone supernova, and we don't know yet because it would take 642 years before we would know. That is how long it takes light to reach us from Betelgeuse. With all this talk of Betelgeuse impending death, we might think that it is really old, an ancient giant. But that is far from the truth. Our Earth is much older than Betelgeuse. The dinosaur went extinct before Betelgeuse was even born. Betelgeuse is just 10 million years old. Compared to Betelgeuse, the Earth is ancient, at around 4,500 million years old. This short life of Betelgeuse is because of its high mass of about 18 solar masses. A star like that will burn through its nuclear fuel much faster than a smaller star like the Sun, which has another 5 billion years of life left. Betelgeuse is only about 18 solar masses, but in size it has a diameter almost 1,000 times that of the Sun. Betelgeuse is classified as a red supergiant. It is one of the largest stars visible to the naked eye. Just to give an idea of how big it is, let us see what happens when we replace our Sun with Betelgeuse. It is so big that it would swallow all the inner planets and its surface would be beyond the asteroid belt. Here we can see our solar system and the inner planets. Betelgeuse is so large that it would swallow everything that we see here. Let us zoom out to see the orbit of Jupiter and then place Betelgeuse at the center of the system. There. Now if a massive star like Betelgeuse suddenly replaced our Sun in an instant, something we can do in a simulation like this, the velocities of the orbiting objects would not be sufficient to keep them from falling into the star. So within a few years, our solar system would be empty. I do hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a comment, like, share and subscribe. As always, thanks a lot for watching.